Hello everyone! YouTube nowadays can be good for your business. Also, if you're a YouTuber, you can set all your businesses here. Having a YouTube channel gives your business and service a leverage, necessary flywheel, and at the very top, success. But first, you'll have to know how to open the channel and set up everything. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. YouTube is Google's platform. In order to open a YouTube channel, you'll need to have a Google account. This way you can communicate through different platforms, especially YouTube, through subscribe, watch later, watch history. But even if you have a Google account, you'll need to create a YouTube channel in order to upload videos, communicate with your audience, comment, and make playlists. If you do not know how to open a Google account through opening an email address, be sure to watch our video tutorial how to open Mail or Gmail. Also, keep in mind that if you don't have a Google account, you can create one on YouTube. Go to YouTube from your desktop. In the top right corner, click Sign In. Click Create Account. Choose For Myself or To Manage My Business. Fill the necessary details in order to create a Google account. If you have a Google account, you can go to YouTube directly and click on Create Your Channel. You can use your Google name or you can create a custom one. Select the one you want. Choose your profile picture. Add a description. Website link, and your social media links. Click Save and Continue. YouTube channel. Top right corner, click on your channel's icon. Manage your Google account. This part refers to your Google's account and how to set it up. Your channel. It transfers you to your channel from where you can upload your videos, see the list of your videos, playlists, channels, discussions, and About section. Now click on 3 lines. Home. It transfers you to the main menu and the list of all videos and channels that you're following, recommended videos, and channels that algorithm thinks you're interested in. You can select specific videos by searching the genre. Explore. Part where you can be an explorer and search all kinds of videos you're interested in. It's divided into segments such as music, gaming, or sports. Subscriptions. Channels you're subscribed to. You can see the channels in the grid mode or the list mode. You can manage those subscriptions. This list helps you to, for example, unsubscribe from someone's channel, or check if you click that bell so you can receive the notifications from the channel you're subscribed to. Library. It shows your watch history, something you schedule to watch later, your playlists, and videos that you liked. History. Shows all previously watched videos and when did you watch them. You can clear it by deleting it, you can pause it, and you can manage all your history. Your videos. List of all your videos. It transfers you directly to the Creator Studio. Watch later. Videos that you labeled to watch later. Watch later is a private list. Liked videos. Again, all videos that you liked. Playlists. Lists that you've created of either your videos or videos that you gathered from other channels. Now go back to your profile picture in the top right corner. Drop-down menu. Purchase and membership. Here, you can see offers from YouTube, subscribe to Premium, or for example, YouTube Music. YouTube Studio. It's a place where literally magic happens. A place from where you can manage everything that is connected to your channel, account, analytics. More on that in our video tutorial, YouTube Creator Studio. From here, you can see all the necessary details about each video that you've uploaded, monetization, insights, you can edit from here, and so on. Go back to the main menu. Switch account. If you're signed up and into several accounts and channels, you can easily switch from one to another from here. Sign out. You can log out from one of your signed accounts. Appearance. Choose the device theme, whether it's bright or dark. Depends on what you prefer and does not affect your eyes. Language. Which language do you prefer? Mother tongue or some other? It exclusively depends on your choice. Location. You can choose your location, where you're placed. Settings. Account. From here, you can edit your profile channel on Google. Channel status and features. When cycling on that, YouTube will open this pop-up window showing the next step of your channel setup. General. Here you can change the currency. Remember that YouTube can be monetized, so this part can be very important to you and your business. Do not forget to click Save in the bottom right. Channel. Basic info. Select the country of residence. This helps YouTube, companies, and viewers to know where to place their ads, who is watching you, more info about yourself, because it actually helps algorithm. Enough characters to type down the specific keywords in order to describe your channel. Advanced settings. Choose the audience for your channel. You'll have to make a statement saying whether you're a channel for kids or not. Remember the COPPA law? There's content that is appropriate and inappropriate for kids. On YouTube, it also means that ads in your video will be placed according to your viewers. You can easily change that for each video separately when uploading a video. Link accounts. Here you can link your YouTube channel to a Google Ads account, as Google says, to let the linked Google Ads account run ads based on interactions with your channel's videos and to access insights from your channel's videos. It is connected to your YouTube channel, no Google Ads. Google Ads Customer ID. A customer ID is a unique member used to identify a Google Ads account. The linked Google Ads account will have access to the view counts, remarketing, and engagement. This way you can easily follow the metrics. Automatic caption. Prevents potentially inappropriate words from being displayed. Subscriber count. It displays the number of your subscribers. It's good to present that number, especially when knowing that the audience likes the quantity. Advertisement. By checking this box, you can disable interest-based ads, meaning that it will not present the ads based on a viewer's interest. Other settings. Manage YouTube accounts. It transfers you to the general settings part. The new tab or window will open. Now, go back and continue. Remove YouTube content. Log in. From here, you can decide whether you want to hide or delete your channel. If you want to hide it, first read everything in the list. Then check the each box in order to confirm that you understood everything mentioned. Then click on Hide My Channel. Now, if you decide to delete it permanently, read the list, select the box, and delete it. Think twice before you do that, because it will delete your YouTube data, including all videos, comments, and subscriptions. Before you can delete your account, you'll have to confirm that you understand you're permanently deleting your data on all Google services, including YouTube. Feature eligibility. Default features: video uploads, playlist creation, add collaborators to playlists, add new videos to existing playlists. It can be eligible if your channel is free of active community guideline strikes. Features that require phone verification: videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, Appeal Content ID claims. It can be eligible if you have set the default ones, and if you have a verified phone number. Upload defaults. When uploading a video, you can create some of the defaults that will automatically show. It is good that it comes to description that you want to repeat in your videos, such as links to your website and social media, slogan of your company, or some statement. Basic information. Title. If you add a title here, and if you upload a video, the title will always remain the same. But think twice if you decide that each of your videos have the same title. Description. As mentioned, it is good to have some same elements when it comes to each video. Visibility. You can set up at the very start whether your video will be public, private, or unlisted. For example, if your video is not done or someone will have to give an approval before airing, then do not set it as public. Tags. Tagged words or phrases that will, by default, always be incorporated in your video. You can add more of them when uploading the video when you want to underline a specificity of what you're presenting in it. Advanced settings. License. What kind of license to choose? You can choose a standard or a creative one. Category. Choose the type of your channel by choosing its category among the mentioned ones. Language and caption certification. Set the language that you use in your video. This way, you help the YouTube algorithm and you help your customers to easily find your content. Caption certification. It applies to the US television broadcast, so be sure to check this part out and see whether your video was already broadcasted or not. Title and description language. If the language in your video is different from the one from the title, check this part. Comments. Choose default settings for the comments, whether they will all be allowed, held, or completely disabled. Users can view ratings for this video. Would you like others to see your ratings or not? Permissions. First thing you'll see is who is the owner of your channel. You can manage roles by inviting people via their email and give them access. Channel roles such as manager, editor, viewer. When you add them, the list will be longer than this and all the roles will be shown here. Community. Here you can see the list of moderators. Approved users. People that can help you manage comments and other YouTube users on your channel. Also, you can see the hidden users and blocked words. Feel free to block someone who is not acting properly on your channel. Also, you can type words that you want to block, so those kinds of comments do not show up on your channel. Block links. You can block comments with links as well. You can add and remove people anytime you want. Community is the part which you build up over the months and years. Agreements. Terms of services. An online contract that you have signed with YouTube. Now, close this section. When you do this, YouTube will transfer you to your channel dashboard. Mentioned settings will show up in the bottom left corner. Click here to go back to the channel's beginner settings. Account. Create a new channel. Add channel's name, check the box to agree on terms and conditions, and click on Create button. View advanced settings. Transfers you to the advanced settings. From here, you can see and copy users and channel's ID, move channel to a brand account, or delete your channel as we mentioned before. Notifications. Here you can set which kind of notifications for channel's activity you would like to receive. You can receive them in the browser or via email. Some of the notifications are important, especially when you're running business through YouTube and presenting it via this platform. But keep in mind, if you have a lot of subscribers and all your notifications are on, you might get overloaded with them. Playback and performance. When you watch video, what do you prefer to see and in what way? These settings will be applied to the browser you're currently working on. On your video, you can allow info cards. That will not affect ads placed in your video. You can always show captions and include auto-generated captions. This way you can help someone to watch your video without sound, for example. Also, you can set up AV1 codec for better watch experience and the quality of the video. Privacy. This is the privacy of your playlists and subscriptions. It's good when you have a business profile or private one. But if you want to give public support to some other channels as well, make sure that everyone can see your subscription in order to promote friendly channels and channels that you're interested in. Also, if you're a creator, your video's playlists need to be shown. Ads on YouTube. They depend on Google Ads settings. Connected apps. Here you can easily connect YouTube to other apps, for example, video games or creators. These sites are authorized to access your Google account. Billing and payment. This is the place where you can make a purchase. First, you'll have to verify your account and enable quick purchase. This way you could pay shows or videos on YouTube. Click on Enable, log into your Google account. Now you're enabled to make purchases. You can disable it anytime you want. Advanced settings, as mentioned before in the video. Now click on your channel's photo again, then the drop-down menu will show up. Go to your next setting. Your data in YouTube. From here you can browse and delete your YouTube activity. History, controls, locations, privacy, other options. Help. You can always search for help if something is not quite understandable to you at the moment. Send feedback. Each platform appreciates when you send feedback to them so they can know to improve themselves. Keyboard shortcuts. If you use YouTube often, you can use their shortcuts to save you some necessary time. Restricted mode. Mode if you have kids. This can prevent some mature video materials from being played. These were the basic YouTube channel settings. There are many levels and opportunities on this platform, so make sure to check out our other video tutorials. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.